Welcome back to part 6 of the Cats Protection Ginger Cat Bauble felting kit. We've got this far now, so here's Amber. She's got her eyes. I've let the glue set. I've just been off washing cat litter trays and cat bowls and cleaning in the house while we just let Amber's eyes dry. So here we are. This is Amber now. I don't really know what to say. Oh, we've got a long thread there. So what we're going to do is we're going to make, I think, the paws. And it says split. Oh, I've got lots of little bits left, look. It says split the third portion of the core wall into 2 equal parts. So it is kind of sort of roughly 2 equal parts. And as you did with the snout and the lip, roll each into a little fat sausage. The finished size of each paw should be in between the previous 2 shapes, about 3 by 1.5 centimetres. So, and then we're heading towards this here. So I shall just try and make a little sausage again, and let's see where we go, and we can put some feet on. Oh dear. It's quite tricky rolling up these small pieces. Okay, so we have a little sausage, so I have to make it a wee bit smaller again. So it's that size, kind of that size, and then that's going to be like a little paw for her. So do bear with me while I just tickle this up to make it the correct size. So I've made 2 about the same size as near as I can get it. And now we're going to put them on the bottom of the body here somewhere. And it's the same technique as, I better put it over to the side, otherwise she'll, is that about right? One there, pretty much. And so, and here we go again, and we just attach it this way by getting the ends and tucking them in. So I'm just going to go and attach these so that you don't get bored, and I will be back shortly. So I've now got the little paws attached, so they're on, and I think it does look pretty much like this one. So all things considered, I don't think we're doing too bad. Now we're going to make the tail, and it says take a strand of the remaining main wool, and wrap it tightly around your felting needle. So we've got to take a strand. I think I've got catnip all over this board, you know. I think that's what I've got happening. So take a strand, and it says wrap it around the felting needle. Okie dokie. It says wrap it round tight. Okay. And it says wrap it all the wool along until it's about she's going to have a very lumpy tail, guys. I don't really know what to say about this. Okay, so let's just see. So that's what we've got. That's what it says. I mean, I still have little bits left. Do you think I should wrap some more around there, or shall we just wing it? No, let's just wing it. So look, there we go. We've pulled the needle out, and that's what we have. It says then pull the needle out and you're left with a solid long sausage shape. Stab it a few times. If you want to pull it longer tail, gently pull it lengthways. We will attach the tail later when you are adding specific colour to your cat. It says you have now made the basic cat shape, and you will refer to specific cat instructions to do colourings and markings. So there we go. That's Amber kind of done in the raw form. So we'll regroup in the next video to start adding the colour. And I need to go and get a photo of her so I can sit here and make sure that I kind of get her marking sort of similar, because if I don't, then, you know, they'll be hell to pay. So we'll regroup in the next video.